welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, I recently went to Winners and I thought I would take you guys along with me on my little adventure. I wasn't looking for anything in specific. I was just going there with an open heart, an open mind, whatever stood out to me, and I thought I would take you along with me. So this is what today's video is going to be all about. I'm also going to do a haul at the end, show you guys all the pieces I ended up getting. So we're going to jump right into the whole shopping part and then move our way into the haul. Enjoy! I'm going to share some of the pieces I end up getting. I'm going to start off with the home decor and then move my way into the clothing like I normally do. So this is the first piece I got. It's this super cute basket. You can never have too many baskets. And I had already one of these baskets in my DIY room and I absolutely loved it. So I saw this one in the sale department and it was $11. And the reason why, you can probably see, is there was a handle that was totally disheveled here. But I didn't mind because the basket that I had already got that's in my DIY room, I actually removed the handles. So this played out perfectly for me because I'm going to remove the handles. I just think it looks more expensive without the handles. There's something that just looks cheapy. They're not the prettiest handles, so I had removed them and I'm going to remove them again, so I didn't mind. For $11, you cannot go wrong with a basket. I'm probably going to be putting it in my beauty room slash closet. I'm probably going to store some hats, beanies, scarves. I think it's just the perfect storage basket and I love it. So this was my first piece. Keeping in the whole storage bins, I got also this bin in the sales section for $11. This sort of like fuzzy bin, and I think it's more of a hamper, like where you put your dirty laundry, but I'm probably going to use it more as a storage bin. The reason why I end up getting it is in my dining room, I have these pillows on the bench that are identical to this, and I just thought that it was perfect. I'm probably going to maybe put it, not too sure, maybe in my laundry room. Not sure yet, but I'm going to find a place for it. It was the same look, and I just thought that it would continue the whole flow of the house on the other levels. So it's definitely not going to go next to it like matchy-matchy because I am not all about matchy-matchy. I just don't like the whole matching stuff. But I do love that the house has a flow to it. I know some people like decorating where each room is a different look. That's just not for me. I can totally appreciate it. I think it can be beautiful. They put different colors on the walls and it's just a different look in each room. And I just personally prefer that my house flows and it's all of the same colors. To me, it's just more peaceful. It's just how I like my house. My whole point was to say that this is just going to continue up into either upstairs or downstairs since I do have it on the main floor. And I got it on sale, so I mean, it was a win-win. Moving on to my next piece. You guys are probably going to see these in the clip. I end up getting them. They're like these sort of palm leaves, and I knew exactly where I was going to put them. I was going to put them in one of the vases right on the top of this furniture here, and I end up paying them $12.99. They came in a set of 4. So, I mean, that's perfect. I know a lot of people love real flowers, but I love faux flowers. I like my flowers when they're dried out. So I tell my husband all the time, I would rather have a bouquet of dried flowers versus live flowers. I just think that they're so beautiful, the colors that they become, I just love it. I love live flowers too, don't get me wrong. I think it's beautiful, all the colors and the smell. But in my home, I prefer to have dried flowers. So moving on to my next piece, you're also going to see this in the clip, and it is these 2 simple candles. They're black and they have lines in it. I was looking for candles to go on my coffee table downstairs. Right now I put these simple white candles and I'm just not feeling it. So when I saw these, I thought they were perfect. They had a sort of sleek look to them. I ended up getting them and they were $7.99. I mean, for 2 candles, that's such a good price. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the home decor part. Now we're going to move on to the whole clothing and the accessories. For my first piece, I end up getting this super cute Rolling Stones t-shirt. I just love the whole hot pink, and I thought it was perfect for the springtime. It gave a little pop of color, whether you can wear it underneath a blazer or even your leather jacket with a pair of jeans. I think that a t-shirt, a band t-shirt, is always practical. So I got this one, and I ended up paying it $12, which is just perfect. Moving on to the next clothing piece that I got, I found this also in the sale rack. It was one of those days a lot of things were on sale. I think that they're trying to get rid of all of the old pieces so that they can bring in the new season stuff. So I was very lucky that day. I ended up finding this also in the sales section. It's a super cute blouse. I just fell in love with the color of it and also the little patterns on it, the fabric. The only thing I would have to say is it is a little big. But since I got a sewing machine, I told myself I can totally make it fit and make it work. It's just one of those shirts that it's not made to be like super skin tight. So I'm just gonna make it a little smaller so it fits better on me. But I think paired with denim shorts or even some jeans, I think it's just the perfect little baby doll shirt. I love a good puff sleeve. And I think that's what really made the whole I'm gonna get it. It was the puff sleeve. So as you can see by the clothing already, I was very into the whole spring, summer wardrobe. I am over the whole winter. I am thinking ahead. So bear with me. As soon as I walked in, I immediately went to this piece and I was definitely not looking for it, but in the summertime, me and my family, we've been going to this beach. It's a very secluded and small beach. It's very family oriented. We do some paddle boarding, some kayaking, canoeing. So when I saw this piece, I'm like, you know what? I need a new bathing suit. So I got a bathing suit. I know some of you are going to be like, girl, we are still wintertime. What are you doing thinking of bathing suits? But I saw it and it was just the perfect bathing suit. I didn't want to take the chance of not getting it now, just in case there's no more. I'm going to show you the bottom first, and it is this sort of, if I can hold it properly. So it's a high-waisted leopard bathing suit. I just loved the cutouts on the side here. It goes all the way above the belly button, which is fun. I love it, especially when you're like in a family-oriented beach. You don't want to be showing too much, butt boobs. So I thought this was a perfect bathing suit. You're still covered, but it has a little sexiness on the side because we still want to look sexy, right? So that was the bottom, and then this is the top here. It's like this. It goes on one shoulder, and it sort of has like a Tarzan look to it. It's just one of those bathing suits that I know I'm going to feel comfortable in. You cannot go wrong with a good leopard print. I think leopard is like a timeless, whether you buy it in dresses, blouses. I mean, you can wear leopard forever. So I thought a good leopard bathing suit I definitely needed. I end up paying it $30, which is amazing for a bathing suit. And then we're going to move on to my last piece. You guys are probably going to see this as well in the clip. It is this amazing lilac colored hat, and I just fell in love with it. I don't have a color like this. I know a lot of you are probably going to be like, oh my God, you have so many hats, but one can never have too many hats. So when I say I live by the motto of more is more, I swear I really do. I had to have another hat and add it to my collection, and a lilac hat for the springtime I thought was just so perfect. I ended up paying I think $20, which is amazing for a hat, especially made out of felt. It has this sort of bolero. I think it's called bolero. It's not like a cowboy westerny style on the top. It's very flat. What I would have maybe liked, I love a very wide brim. That's the only thing that I'm a little bit not disappointed, but I would have liked a maybe wider brim. But I mean, look, it's still perfect. It's still beautiful, and I'm still happy and I still got it. But maybe I would have liked a wider brim. I'm thinking of maybe wearing it with like a floral dress, making it very spring. So anyway, that is pretty much all the pieces I end up getting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know which piece is your favorite. You guys know I love to hear that. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me. I am just so appreciative of each and every one of you. Have an amazing day, have an amazing week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Mwah.